It's time we add the tax rate to our cash register. We're going to use a variable to store the tax rate and then multiply the sum of the two items by the tax variable. Before we do this, let's review a mathematical concept that might sound familiar to you. PEDMOS, or simply the order of operations. In mathematics, we must do operations in a specific order: multiplication and division first, then addition and subtraction. The same is true in programming. Take this simple equation for example. Our aim is to sum up 5 and 10 before we multiply them by 1.15. However, because of PEDMOS, the program will multiply 10 by 1.15 before adding 5, giving us a result of 16.5. To fix this, we can enclose the equation 5 plus 10 in parentheses, like so. Now the program will calculate the sum of 5 and 10 before multiplying it by 1.15, giving us a total of 17.25. PEDMOS also applies to variables, so in our program, we'll want to make sure we calculate the sum of first item price and second item price before we add in the tax. Let's try that in the code editor. Start by creating a variable named tax and assign it a value of 1.15. Remember to represent decimals with a dot. Next, enclose the sum of first item price and second item price in parentheses. Finally, multiply the sum by the variable tax. That's it! With the tax added, we have a fully functioning cash register. Hit Run Code to see it in action.